Hope you have understood the meaning of electric potential. It is nothing but the flow of liquid from higher level to lower level, or it can be the flow of heat from higher body temperature to lower to the body with lower temperature. Then there can be the flow of positive charge from higher electric level to lower electric level. So this direction of flow of electric charges will be known as electrostatic potential. Potential difference is nothing but it can be the difference between the height of a waterfall, the difference between two body, the temperatures of two bodies, let it be hot or cold. It can also be the difference between two potential uh, electric potentials or 2 points. So this is the meaning of potential difference. Now let's study electrical circuit. Every electrical circuit will consist of two terminals, that is positive terminal and negative terminal. This is going to be the key or circuit breaker. If this is closed, the current will flow. If it is open, the current will stop flowing. This arrow indicates the flow of electric current, the direction of electric current. And this is going to be the electric bulb. When the key will be closed, the current will flow and the bulb will glow. But if the key is opened, the current will stop flowing and the bulb will also stop glowing. So this is how the entire electrical circuit is. The unit of potential difference is volt, and as we have discussed previously, the unit of electric current is ampere. And here the same things are given, that 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb per second, and electric current is a scalar quantity because it is independent of the direction of the electric current, but only the magnitude or the largeness of electric current is taken into consideration. Because of this, electric current is a scalar quantity. Now electric cells. There are various types of electric cells, and the main functions of these electric cells is to maintain the potential difference between two terminals. As I've taught you, there are two terminals, positive and the negative terminal. To maintain the potential difference between these two terminals is the main function of electric cells. There are various types of electric cells present into the market. We all are aware of solar cells. Solar cells are also known as photovoltaic cells, and this solar cells are responsible for conversion of incident solar radiation into electrical energy. We uses various kinds of electric cells. First we will discuss dry cell. Dry cell is used in radio sets, wall clocks and torches. It is of various sizes, that means some 3 to 4 sizes are available into market. Now let's study the construction of dry cell. We all know that dry cell will have a protective covering. When we open that protective covering, we will find one whitish layer. That whitish layer is of zinc. So that zinc layer will act as a negative terminal. When we will open that zinc layer carefully, we will notice another layer present into it, and there is going to be the positive terminal, and that is going to be the graphite rod, which will act as a positive terminal. Between the positive terminal, that is graphite rod, and between the zinc layer, which acts as a negative terminal, there are going to be the electrolyte. Electrolytes will consist of zinc chloride and ammonium chloride. Now what is the meaning of what is the meaning of electrolyte? Electrolyte are the solutions which allows the flow of electric current. So there are going to be the wet pulp of zinc chloride and ammonium chloride, and this electrolytes will consist of positively and negatively charged ions. So this will allow the flow of electric current because the charge will be produced. There are opposite charges, and because of the opposite charges, that means the negatively charged ions and positively charged ions, the charge will be produced, and it will make the current to flow. Then there is going to be the paste of manganese dioxide, MnO2, outside the graphite rod, and because of all the chemical reactions, the electrical charge will be produced on the two terminals, and the electric current will flow into the cell. And because of that, whenever we insert the cell into any gadget, that gadget works because the electric current flows. Then due to the wet pulp used in this cell, the chemical reaction proceeds very slowly. As the pulp is wet, the chemical reaction takes place is very slow, and because of that, large electric current will not be obtained, but the shelf life, that means the cell will last for a longer period of time. It will not get over within 1 or 2 hours, but it will work for many days. So this is the meaning of longer shelf life. That is why the dry cells have longer shelf life, because the chemical reaction proceeds very slowly due to the presence of wet pulp. This wet pulp into the dry cell consists of electrolytes like zinc chloride and ammonium chloride. So dry cells are very convenient, and this can be held in any direction with respect to the ground, and that is why it is used in various kinds of mobile instruments. Mobile instruments, that means which can move from the instruments which can be moved or which can be taken from one place to another. So this is the working of dry cell. So rest of the cells we will study into next video. Till then, have a knowledgeable day. Thank you.